Hi everybody, my name is Mathieu. Normally you know me if you have received this link for this video, so um, I'm okay. It's a long time for me to how to say to give to some of you friends some news. So today I take this opportunity to give you some news and I say this. I wish for everybody a happy new year 2022. So I'm glad to give you some good vibes from France, where I actually live. And so, because of maybe some friends have not received news from me, I'm very happy to again give best wishes for this new year, and so give all this energy for the best of this year. So everybody, today I do this video for this reason that I have mentioned, and also to give some perspective of what we expect as a practitioner on the path to find in this life. Their friends, a practitioner, when he goes on this way, on this path, he wish to avoid suffering and find liberation or happiness in his path. So because of maybe lots of situations very difficult, or because of simply ignorance of many situations or person or object, he do some actions, and by experiencing this situation, person or object, he experience the life, and he find a meaning beyond his ignorance, and so he find joy, happiness, and so on. So dear friends, it's important to remember that we all are this practitioner on the path who at the beginning we find difficulties in situation, or we find difficulties in with person, or we find difficulties to have some objects in our life. So because of this identification of somebody who suffers because of his ignorance, we have to remember that sometimes, many times, a lot of time, we are this ignorance, and more if we don't do some discipline to discipline ourselves from ignorance to knowledge. So dear friends, because this practitioner, as we are, suffer by doing some discipline, with making good effort, first giving generosity, making discipline, having patience with some situation or person, making effort in situation or with some persons, concentrating in a situation or with some persons, and acquiring wisdom with us. We develop the 6 perfections, and by developing the 6 perfections, we avoid many suffering from this samsaric world, as ignorance, hatred, or envy. So that's why it's very important to remember ourselves, to discipline with these 6 perfections, and shine this practitioner in us, that he wants to be in front and not in the back. So, dear friends, if we practice good intentions, as I mentioned before, and if we continue to develop this good intention by making efforts to continue the path, here we develop this way to get more and more enlightened. In other words, we do effort to renunciate of many bad actions, and that's we acquire some more happiness or wisdom for the benefit of all living beings. And in dependence, we find liberation in ourselves, and we liberate ourselves. So why I say that? Because friends, we are a practitioner on the path, or some person who wants to give the best of we can, or we just want to be happy in our life. So it's important for everybody of us to be that practitioner who wants to not suffer, but to find himself in this life. So today, dear friends, I'm happy to share this wisdom that I required and I have the wish to transmit. Because of what? Because of having found this wisdom, I found the benefit of this wisdom, the kindness, the love, the compassion, the equanimity, the bliss. When we meditate, we find this bliss here, yes. And because of that, as someone who say, I am this little bird who do his job to reduce fire in the forest with this little peck, taking some water and reduce the fire in this forest. In the same way, as a practitioner, I do my little part of the job, and I share happiness, I share wisdom, I share the Dharma, share everything that I can share with everybody at the moment I share this. And so, because of giving without expecting anything in return, step by step, I give my contribution every time I can, and I found a very happiness, gratitude, a peaceful mind, joyful attitude, blissful states, for the benefit of all. Many times Tibetan Buddhists say that, for the benefit of all, kind of a word we know in this world. But yes, it's true. Because why? Because of being this practitioner who have the responsibility or the care or the responsibility to help someone next, the follower of the path of the Buddha. Okay. Maybe we acquire this very beautiful aspect of being a good person, developing the Dharma or the law or the morality, depending of the vibration we prefer to hear for this beautiful representation of the life. And so yes, that's the contribution the practitioner do every time when he do his contribution. When he do his contribution, every time he do his contribution, he gives the best contribution ever. So everybody, thank you for listening me on this video today. Wish the best for all of you during this life, especially in 2022. And so please continue your action. If you don't have started practicing meditation or taking care of your next one, if you don't have find yourself on the way to liberate yourself, for every reason I mentioned, please start this beautiful path of liberation, extinction of suffering, or the shining of the source, or the benefit of giving the best for you or for the other, or for you and for the others. And yes, you will find this beautiful source flowing